Welcome to Science A+ Global.
The building unit of the matter. Atom and its structure. Matter can be divided as pure and non-pure. Elements and compounds are pure substances of matter, and mixtures are non-pure substances of matter. Building unit of matter is the atom. A brief history of atomic theory. In 1803, John Dalton proposed an atomic theory based on the law of conservation of mass. Dalton theorized that atoms are indestructible and indivisible, they cannot be created or destroyed, but can be combined in various ways to form different compounds. Prior to Rutherford's model, the prevailing theory of atomic structure was the plum pudding model. It was proposed by English physicist J. Thomson in 1904. Thomson had discovered and identified the electron, which he described as a fundamental negatively charged particle. He postulated that it was uniformly embedded within a positively charged sphere to balance out its charge. According to this view, atoms were shapeless clouds of positive matter with electrons scattered throughout them like plums in a pudding. The planetary model of the atom. The planetary model of the atom was introduced by Ernest Rutherford. Rutherford concluded that atoms must be mostly empty space, and that an atom's mass is concentrated in a very tiny, positively charged nucleus. Negative electrons are dispersed around it like planets orbiting the Sun. Rutherford's model provided a clear picture of how positive and negative charges are distributed in an atom and explained why atoms are electrically neutral. The positive charge of the nucleus attracts electrons. Electrons revolve very fast around the nucleus, so that they do not fall on the nucleus. Protons, neutrons and electrons are the subatomic particles in the atom. Elements and compounds. An element is composed of the atoms of the same type. Compounds are formed by the chemical combination of two or more elements in a certain ratio. Atomic number. The atomic number is the number of protons in an element's atom. In a neutral atom, number of protons equal to the number of electrons in it. In cations, the number of electrons is less than the number of protons. The number of electrons in anions is greater than the number of protons. Note that the number of protons in an ion formed by a particular atom does not change, its atomic number remains unchanged. Mass number. It is the sum of the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Here are some examples to clarify this theory lesson.
Thank you for watching. Visit www.scienceaplus.com for more science-related content.